We're unboxing the KFC Crocs. So first off, a little disappointed. I thought they'd come in a box or something. This is just a bag. It looks like the review units that people got, they came in like a glass case even to display these things, and this is just a bag. So kind of bummed on that, but nonetheless, let's open this up and see what we got. And there they are. Woo! Okay, pretty sweet. They look great. They come in a little, the bag, at least the bag has something printed on it. It's a Ziploc bag. And there are the Crocs. Wow, they're really shiny. They got a nice texture to them up here. And they smell like chicken. Holy crap on the cob, they smell like chicken. Wow. It's not great chicken. It's kind of like a rubbery shoe chicken, but you could, if someone told you they smell like chicken, I think you'd agree. There's little kernels peeking out the back. It does come with a tag. People like tags. Well, that's it. I'm done unboxing these suckers. I mean, there's really nothing to it. You really just get the shoe. There's nothing that special about this, I guess. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy. And these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats. And all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video. And this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.